Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Samsung phone guys fingerprint lock guys, how can we delete. Friends, we want to delete guys, you don't want to use guys any fingerprint lock in your Samsung phone device guys, you want to delete guys your all fingerprint data. So how can you delete? So first of all guys, we will on guys Samsung phone setting. After on phone setting guys, we will search guys fingerprint lock guys. So once you can see guys your fingerprint setting guys, we will tap here, and once you can see enter your password. After enter password guys, we can use get this fingerprint setting guys. You want to add any fingerprint, so guys you can add from here. And friends, you can see fingerprint lock and unlock guys, you can on and off from here. So friends, we will click on get this second fingerprint guys. I have got this only one fingerprint lock. So guys, you want to rename guys your fingerprint lock, so guys you can rename if you want. And guys, you can see remove option guys, tap here to delete all fingerprint data. So guys, all fingerprint data will delete guys. You can see guys, we don't have any fingerprint data. As you want to use your fingerprint guys, you will have to set up again your Samsung phone fingerprint lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.